Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and today I have the Habu 50mm out again because I like flying this so much, and hopefully I'll get to practice my landings and hopefully finally get a decent one. So let's not waste time, get this in the air. Let's go. Okay, runway is clear. Ooh, looking nice in the sun. Hopefully it will look a lot better on camera this time, more than a black silhouette. Ooh, pretty far out there. Let's try a close pass. This thing howls. Love it. Rolls really good despite the small ailerons. It's pretty fast. So I guess the faster it's going, the faster it's gonna roll. I should do like Tail Heavy Productions did and make this a tail dragger. Maybe I'd have better luck landing it then. But I'll just keep on practicing. Thanks for all the great advice you guys give me. Have a car coming. And 2 minutes 40 on the timer. Let's try some touch and goes at least. I was looking the other way for cars and got a bit distracted. That's the problem with jets and flying them here. You have to look out for cars. Nope, bouncy. Ooh. Just missed those bushes. And let me tell you what, this thing is sturdy with how much I've bounced it already. Nope. Just likes to bounce and bounce. A minute 45. I love that it has such a long flight time. 5 minutes on the 2200. And I love how it has the power to just go back up. I wasn't even full throttle. Man, oh man. Hopefully I have time for 2-3 more attempts. I don't know. Honestly, I land this like I land every other of my planes, but just has that bounce. Okay, let's try with some power. Nope. And the timer's running out, 20 seconds. And the timer ran out. Hoo hoo hoo. Okay. You can do it. Must not bounce. Just likes to glide forever. And I've got a car coming, which is not ideal. The battery doesn't die out on me. Oh man. Damn it. I hate this when this happens. Whew. Got a crack on the wing. As it seems intact, and a pretty clean brake. Canopy. Oh, there's the battery. It's not too bad. Broke off pretty clean, but I'm gonna have to reinforce it because I had this problem with my F-15. I broke the nose trying to hand launch it on the first flight, and just kept on braking and braking. Whew, yeah, I'm a bit bummed, guys, but it is what it is. At least it's not crushed or anything. Small piece of foam here, better save that. Whew, yeah, what else can I say now? Thanks for watching my crappy bouncy videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like this video if you have fun seeing me bounce and crash, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll try and bounce this again. See you next time, guys. Thanks. Bye.